Impulse is a quantity which links force and time together, and then we'll see it's also linked to momentum. So we'll look at two cars stopping, then we've got one of them being much slower to come to a halt, taking a longer time, and one doing it in a short time. They were both going at the same speed before they started. Then the red car applied a large braking force for a short time, and the blue car applied a small braking force for a longer time. So we've got the same change in velocity. So a large force applied for a short time can have the same effect as a small force for a long time. And impulse is the average force exerted multiplied by the time for which the force acts. Once again, no particular units, so it's just units of force multiplied by time. So it's Newton seconds. Now we're so used to seeing per second that it can be easy to put that in by accident. But this is not force divided by time, this is force multiplied by time, so it's Newton seconds.